Nagaland, the land of festivals. Nagaland is landlocked state of northeastern region of India. Its capital is Kohima and largest city is Dimapur. Nagaland is aptly called land of festivals since its people enjoy celebrating life in all its different aspects. The Hornbill Festival. It is an annual festival celebrated from 1st to 10th of December. It takes place mainly in Kohima district. It is also called Festivals of Festivals. Week-long festival united one and all in Nagaland, and people enjoy colorful performance, crafts, sports, food fair, games and ceremonies. It also encourages inter-tribal interaction and to protect and preserve and revive the uniqueness and richness of Naga heritage. The festival is named after Indian hornbill, a large and colorful forest bird, which is displayed in folklore of most of state ethnic groups.